Saturday was International Drone Day, and one Queens college was abuzz with activity. Dozens of people attended the free event at Vaughn College in East Elmhurst. There were a variety of activities, including interactive workshops on the design, building, programming, and certifying of drones. Several attendees also brought their own flying machines to test out in the college's hangar. Although fun to fly, organizers say drones have many practical uses.
Drones are being used for mapping, of course, photography, inspections. I do my own roof inspections, but commercial roofing companies use them, disaster mapping. There's just limitless uses.
It's just a great way to show people that drones are for good and they have a lot of applications that can help humanity.
This year marks the third year International Drone Day has been celebrated. For more information, head to internationaldroneday.com.